Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the PRIVÉ Academy Professional Fibroblast Skin Tightening Pen. I am not an esthetician nor a licensed RN. Warning, I am not a professional, just a young gal with wrinkles. So I actually ordered the kit as well as the online course because I don't want to burn my skin off by not knowing what I'm doing. So this is my first video in a series that I'm going to be doing on the Plamer pen. I'm going to be taking you along the journey with me of learning techniques and, my struggles and blunders and all the fun stuff that comes along with learning anything. But today, just unboxing. So I ordered this kit a few days ago and it came really quickly. It came within 3 days of ordering it, which is awesome. The kit itself, it generally costs $1,300 online just for the device and the aftercare kit. But I also bought, as I said, the online course, which is generally another $1,300 on top of it. But I bundled it together and ended up basically saving $300. So the total was $2,300 for both the online course and the device. Plus, I used a promo code from an Instagram at ProudBrow. I don't know where I'll put it, somewhere. I didn't get a discount, but I did get an additional aftercare set that's worth $150, so that was a nice bonus. This is the kit itself. This is Sambo Fibroblast Master. We're in good hands. Let's go through this one by one. So obviously comes with the Plamer pen itself. And what's nice about this is that it doesn't take batteries, which it kind of looks like it would, and it doesn't have a cord, which is great because you don't want that hindering you while you're buzzing. We also have a charging cable. So this looks like just a general micro USB. Looks like I can plug it into my iPhone Cube. We'll see, but a rechargeable battery, which is awesome. And then additionally, it comes with all different types of tips. I've only seen the needles, either bent or straight. This came with 3 sterile needles that are bent tipped, really pretty actually. And it also came with all these other ones. So right here we have the acne tip cover, fractional tip, which again, not exactly sure what it's used for right now. This little mushroom, which is the permeating tip. We have this little barbell, the lifting tip. It says that it sent me tip collarettes and needle collarettes. I have 2 random additional needles and then 1 colette, which looks like it holds the needle. I have 1. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be multiple. I'll reach out to Plamer and see what the deal is. Ooh, and I forgot to mention these guys, which are little films that go over, I think over the tip for each application. Once I do the courses, we'll learn. So that was the device and all of the parts of the device. Now comes all of the creams and aftercare, numbing, etc. So we have 3 different steps in the aftercare. We have number 1, 2, and 3. In step 1, we have dexpanthenol solution. Number 2 is a dexpanthenol cream. This is the solution. And then we have zinc cream. And from my understanding, zinc is not great for pores. I'm sure you aren't worried about really breaking out while recovering because you'll have scabs all over your face. Probably not gonna look cute regardless. You can realistically probably find cheaper ones elsewhere that have the same ingredients, but for now we're just gonna stick to what we know here, the included 3 steps. Those are the aftercare solutions, but during the treatment, we have pre-numbing cream. It says we put this on for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I didn't know that this was a step. This is topical liquid for during the procedure, which also contains benzocaine and tetracaine, as well as hydrochloride. My understanding of the ending in cane words, this should be also a numbing cream. So during the treatment, if you feel anything, you can put that on there. I've seen other videos that people have done, and generally they say they can still feel it, but it's obviously not as bad as burning your skin with no protection. We also have this mask that they threw in. It's a beta-glucan hydrogel mask, cooling and moisturizing, which is probably nice because what I've heard from other people who have done or had the procedure done is that it kind of feels like a sunburn. So I would imagine that a soothing, cooling formula afterwards would be very useful. So that's what comes in the kit itself. And I'm not sure if this is included with the kit or if I got this because I ordered the course. Basically just includes a bunch of the basics of the plasma pen and information about the skin, as well as, aftercare, really just basic stuff you need to know. It's not an extensive course, but it's good for reference. Looks like we have when we do not perform treatment, what types of conditions we don't treat, techniques. We've got some examples. We've got some practice stomachs. In addition to all of these wonderful things that we've got in this package, we have a flash drive full of before and after pictures that we can use for our commercial practice. I think it's personally kind of odd that it comes in there because I would want to use my own, but I guess you need to get started, so thanks for including it. So I don't have these here with me, but what also came in the box is a lanyard that says PRIVÉ Academy, and then we have a t-shirt which comes in a size small. It definitely is not going to be like a one size fits all type of thing. And it says something like Fibroblast Plumere Pen Expert, which I just think is great because, Thank you guys for watching. I definitely am going to keep making videos as I go through the process of learning the course. And I think that hopefully they'll be very useful to you before you spend the big bucks, because again, this is not cheap. I'm not getting paid by PRIVÉ, so I'm gonna keep it 100 with you about my entire experience, what I like, what I don't like. So stay tuned. My next video is going to be my initial reaction to how the course is structured. I'll turn on the pen. Gonna be some fun stuff. So you know the YouTube gist, like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.